Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets regular, the bombs bursting Eden, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Even 500 years ago, artist and inventor Leonardo da Vinci dreamed of flight and made drawings of a flying machine. But it wasn't until 1903 that two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, built a powered airplane and overcame gravity and taught the world to fly. And that's what we're going to do today, Oklahoma City. We are going to fly! Good morning.
All things basically follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and we have
Jeff Shadley in the Army as a platoon tank commander. Yeah, that's what he did. But now, he lists a portion of what he'll do in his full-up demonstration later on in today's show. Is one of, well, depends on whose history book you read, whether it's 15,000 or 22,000 or 10,000, nobody really knows the number of these advanced trainers that were built. But this is higher learning. Rolls it over on its back and keeps doubling it all the way across the line. The airplane weighs it down on the deck. The nose comes up. Now watch him go into what we call a 4-point hesitation roll.